What's the real legal rule behind a non-profit use of someone else's song?
Where did you hear that?
I'm an entertainment attorney, and on this channel I talk about the legal issues that artists, athletes, and creators face in the entertainment world. If you want to hear more, follow along. You may have heard that you can use someone else's song in your work as long as it's not for profit. You also might have seen these kind of disclaimers all over the place on social media. But what's the real rule here? Well, I wish it was an easy answer, but unfortunately, like most things in law, it depends. Copyright law grants creators of original works of authorship an exclusive, limited time monopoly to use their works in certain enumerated ways. Exclusive also means the right to stop other people from using their work in ways they don't like.
Gerald, off the road!
There are a couple specific exemptions in the Copyright Act, but generally speaking, the only way you can use someone else's song in your work is if it qualifies as fair use. You've probably heard about fair use and you've probably been a little confused about it. That's okay. I've made a few videos on it, but generally speaking, what I want you to understand about fair use is that it's almost never a clear answer. Courts look at multiple different factors when determining fair use, and one of these factors is profit. Profit is only one piece of a much bigger analysis. Simply saying that a non-profit use is always fair use is not correct. What about all these disclaimers and notices you see all over social media? Well, they don't actually do anything. They have no real legal meaning. At best, they might demonstrate some kind of good faith on your behalf. That might help in a court's analysis for what's called willful infringement, which comes with higher damages. But apart from that, a disclaimer like this on a use doesn't really do anything. But what about the music you can just add to videos on social media? There's actually licenses going on in the background, even if you don't know about it. If you're interested to learn about how those work, let me know in the comments and I can dig into those long contracts nobody reads. And if you're interested to hear more about this kind of law, like, subscribe, and follow along. See you in the next one.